Mga batang Maynila, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa Ayala Triangle. Todits na lang. Wala pang Tosgas. Laway-laway lang. Ngayon, February 14, yung mga shota ninyo. Dito na kayo magpa-picture. Ngayon naman, dito kayo mag-aantay ng jeep. I want you, of course, I know, I'm very grateful to you. Ngayon lang ako nakakita dito sa Loton, ang tao pumipila na ng kusa para sumakay ng jeep. Thank you very much sa inyo. I owe it to you. And I hope you continue doing that self-discipline, cooperation, participating in the government's effort to keep Manila maging malinis, maaliwalas, at panatag ang taong bayan sa lungsod. Ito po ang ating papasinayaan ay isang simpleng bagay lang. Isang simpleng bagay na kung saan kahit na anong kinakaharap ninyo na mga suliranin na ang inyong pamahalaang lungsod makapagbigay man lamang ng konting ngiti sa inyong mga labi. Kahit man lamang sa ganitong paraan. And I saw the joy of that kid a few nights ago when we were testing it. Napasigaw yung bata, dyan nakaupo, kasi butas yung harang dyan. Dyan naupo yung bata, nanood. Narinig ko from here. Ano sabi niya? Wow, ang ganda! And that is priceless. That is what you call governance. When you try to make your people happy. When you put a smile on them. That is what you call governance. Hindi yan kaya ng anumang dami na salapi kung paano makapagbigay ng kaligayang sa kanyang mamamayan. Kaya po, umasa kayo sa maliit naming kaparaanan, magbubuti kami. Pipilitin namin unti-unti ang susunod na sa bandang Wakali naman, yung inyong dinadaanan sa ilalim ng kalsada. Malapit na. Hindi na siya mapanghi. Walang obstruction. It's for you. You deserve it. Itong lugar na ito, madalas katakutan. 7 buwan pa lamang ang nakakaraan, ito ay pambansang ihiyan. May taiho rito. Ayan ang pinakamalaking kubeta. Ganyan po nababoy ang lugar na ito. At ang lugar na ito ay pag-aari ninyo. Pag-aari ng mamamayan. Ito'y parke. Ang nakalulungkot lang a few steps away from office of the mayor. If we cannot govern here, then there is no reason or way for us to govern anywhere further in the city of Manila. So that's why, in our own little way, we're trying to revive this and bring it to you to enjoy. At ang good news, ngayong gabi, huwag kayong mag-alala. Itong mga superficial joy that we can give you, or simple joy that we can give you, wala tong Tosgas. Sino dito taga Maynila? Taas ang kamay. Mga taga Maynila. O, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ni 5 duling ng pera ninyo, walang ginamit dito. Ito ay tanging epekto lamang ng mga bagay na ating pakisuyo. Kung maalala na yun ng July, 2 months straight, I've been talking to a lot of people, corporation, individuals, who's who of this country. And yet, the effects of it, Jones Bridge. Thank you very much. Ito naman ngayon, at yan naman ang susunod, and so on and so forth. Kaya, sa Mayo, reserva nyo na ang mga date ninyo. Inahanyayahan kayo ng national government at city government, bumalik na kayo sa Metropolitan Theater. Yes. You can ask your mothers and fathers that they have a story to tell on one of the jewel of Manila, a few meters away from here. Yan lang ho yun. Unti-unti, sa awa ng Diyos. Sa awa ng Diyos. At sa tulong ninyo, muli, Manila will be vibrant again. And I hope you don't mind me asking you, all of us here, a simple clap will do by saying thank you to PLDT and SMART. One Meralco Foundation, Maynilad Water Services Incorporated, Metro Pacific Investment Corporation. To the families and members of that corporation, to the leadership of that corporations, thank you very much for being man for others, for doing your corporate social responsibility. And thank you to the leadership of those corporations and members of those corporations for believing again in the city of Manila, for giving us opportunity to be better as government officials. So muli, ayoko na pong pakahabahan dahil mas gusto ko itong makita nito ng walang harang. As you can see, naglagay kami nung araw, meron tinatawag sa luneta no mga nagde-date yung mga magulang namin. Ang tawag namin doon, pag nagde-date sila, naggugulong-gulong sa damuhan. Ngayon, we made a space for you to enjoy greeneries, green open space. Dati espalto, matigas, malikabok. And there is water, there is plants, there is open space, and there is water. And water is life. And life, that kind of nature, will give life and value to Manila's hero, Andres Bonifacio. This will remind you and get your attention while you're passing by Lawton that there is one guy, one of many heroes of Manila and country here being depicted by a structure. Heroism, pagmamahal sa kapwa. And I hope ngayong araw na mga puso, yung host ko ba, may jowa ba kayong dalawa? Wala kang jowa? Wala kang booking? Lungkot ang buhay ng dalawang baklan to? May jowa. Kayo na magjowa, malansa. Ngayong araw na mga puso, February 15, Valentine's, umiral sana sa atin, hindi lang pagmamahal sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Umiral sana sa atin ang pagmamahal sa ating kapwa, sa ating syudad, sa ating bansa, and to humanity. Respect one's view, space, and rights of every human being in the city. Kaya po, sana patuloy tayong magmahalan. At kung hindi talaga kalabisan, tulungan nyo kaming linisin ang Maynila. Hindi po namin kaya tong mag-isa. Kailangan namin ng tulong at kooperasyon ng bawat isa sa inyo. And in return, hayaan ninyo, magbubuti po kami. Magsisikap kaming maglingkod sa inyo ng maayos, mga kababayan. So muli, thank you for your patience tonight, and let's enjoy the moment. This is not for us. This is for you, Manilans. This is for you, those people who will go on a day-to-day here in the city of Manila. Again, magandang gabi. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng pong may kapal. Manila! God first.